Here's a quick look at the markets through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, September the 28th, 2009. Well, we had mentioned on Friday that the 36 level and the 48 level were areas to monitor. And you can see here that on the overnight trade, which is this profile right here. By the way, we always like to take a look at these profiles. This is today's profile. This is Friday's profile. And this is what occurred overnight, Sunday evening going into Monday morning. And so we were looking at Friday's low as potential support. It was taken out by just, I think, a couple of ticks overnight. And then we were looking at that 48 area as resistance. And as you can see, very early in the day, the market blasted its way through it. So we had some good long trades as a result. Whenever the market blasts through a known resistance area, of course that really changes the sentiment, and we want to trade in that direction. We also like to take a look at the regular profiles themselves, which means just the profiles on a day basis. So the profiles we're looking at here, they show the volume profile and the lettered market profile, and when you combine them you have the entire day. So this is what occurred today. And we like to use that because we find that what ends up by happening is that looking at the market through this prism of the market profiles, we can get a better sense of the auctions cycle and the condition of the market. And as a result, for example, today, here's our software that works in conjunction with that. And we had 3 trades today. We had a nice long right in here, just on a nice little dip. Another long here, we ended up by getting stopped out break even. And then another long here when it dipped down. So we had a nice profit on this one, a nice profit on this one. Second trade here was a break even. So first trade moved 4 points in our favor. So it hit our first 2 objectives and then made 2.5 points on the final partial. Just a break even on the second trade, maybe made a tick, depending on where exactly any one of our traders was exactly in. We're out of that trade in 10 minutes. And then the third trade was reached both of our objectives, and that as a result there was the break even on the final partial on that trade. So those are really the only trades that we had today, just those 4 trades, just the 1, 2, and the 3. So that was all the trades. So we're looking at continuing for likeliness of the market to continue higher. We're looking around the 60-62 area as potential resistance. So if the market can move above that, then we're probably good to go up to 69. If it breaks down much below around 54, 53 area, it could have a bit of a dip, and probably into around the 50 area. Other than that, we still think the market is looking pretty bullish. So obviously going to be leaning on the long side of the market as opposed to the short side. So that's really it for today. A nice day of trading. Any questions or comments, please send us an email at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. Any questions or comments are welcome, and we'd love to hear from you. So thanks for taking the time to view this video, and that'll be it for Monday, September the 28th. See you tomorrow.